Next section, importance of social stratification in nursing. The knowledge of social stratification need to nursing for nursing assessment. Nurse should be assessed the client social status and their class and races. Nursing diagnosis. This data help to accurate diagnosis, identify the client needs. Care, client oriented care. Cure, treatment, to formulate treatment modalities and treatment plan. Prevention, prevent communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases. Promotion, to promote holistic health, physical health, mental health, as well as social well-being. The knowledge of social stratification is essential in nursing. Nursing management, to manage nursing services and chronic disease management, etc. Nursing education. Nurses educator need to utilize this knowledge to student oriented guidance and instructions, to implement government program such as scholarship, reservations. Patient health education, client oriented health education. The knowledge of social stratification is essential in nursing. Counseling, client oriented counseling and guidance. Nursing research, every aspect of nursing research, this knowledge is essential. Example, problem formulation, hypothesis making, tool formulation, research design, data collection, mainly data interpretation and report writing. The knowledge of social stratification is essential in nursing. All nursing specialties use the knowledge. First, maternal health nursing, to promote happier motherhood. Pediatrics nursing, child health, to prevent child mortality. 3. Medical surgical nursing, to identify the causes of diseases, to prevent communicable as well as non-communicable diseases. 4. Mental health, to facilitate and formulate mental health care programs to prevent mental illness. The knowledge of social stratification is primary need. Then community health nursing, every community having different sections of populations. Nurse need to know to effectively execution of community health care services. Next section, conclusion. Hence, concepts such as class, caste, race, social status, social stratification, and lifestyle directly influence or affect health status of people and individuals. It has been used as a social medicine to identify the causes of diseases, to promote the health, to prevent the illness, to cure the diseases, to cure mental illness. It is essential to apply in every aspect of nursing, including care, cure, prevention, promotion, rehabilitations, etc. It is used to solve the social problems, focus on healthcare problems, and to solve it by using this knowledge. Promote sustainable peace and development in our society. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.